गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। एमकॉम फर्स्ट सेम मार्केटिंग का लेक्चर कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर राजेंद्र राउत, वर्किंग एज असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन जीएस कॉलेज ऑफ कॉमर्स वर्धा। अर्लियर वी हैव टू डिस्कस द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग and what is the difference between the selling and marketing. In this lecture we have to discuss the evolution of marketing. मार्केटिंग की शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई? And at the beginning, when the marketing was just started, producer are concentrated to produce of that particular product. His thinking is that whatever they have to produce, it is to be automatically sold out, or some efforts is to be taken to sale of that particular product. So there is a traditional thinking behind this time, that is we will call it as the production era. Here evolution of marketing, first one is production era. This is called as production era. Second one is sales era, and third one is the marketing era. This one is the evolution of marketing. So we'll discuss the first point, that is the production era. What happened in production era? It says that in production era, says law of supply creates its own demand. What they are thinking is, they think that law of supply creates its own demand. That means first we have to provide the product in a large quantity, and after that we have to take the effort to sell of that particular product. Or they may be thinking that if the products are produced, the demand will be automatically raised in the market. So there is a traditional thinking behind the production era. That's why in production era, producer is concentrated only to produce of that particular product and sell the goods. They don't consider what are the likes and dislikes of the customer, what are the requirements of the customer, what are the needs of the customer, what is the customer satisfaction. They don't have any matter in this regard. They only concentrate to sale of that particular product. So we'll call it as, in traditionally, this one is the production era. Why it is traditionally? Because they concentrate, they says laws of supply creates its own demand. That means their thinking is that if we have to provide the large number of products, the demand will be automatically created. At that time, this type of thinking they have. But after that, after completing this era, we will enter in the sales era. And in sales era says concentrate to sale of the product. Again, there is some modification in sales era. In sales era, also they have to produce the number of large number of products, and efforts are taken. Maximum efforts are to be taken to sale of that particular product by providing supporting facilities like the salesmanship, advertising, sales promotion, and other activities. That means the basic difference between these two is, in production era they will concentrate only of the production of that particular product, but in sales era, in this situation also they have to concentrate on the large scale production. But for the sale of that this large scale production, they will provide some support in the form of advertising, support in the form of sales promotion, sales, personal selling, and all these selling efforts to be taken to sale of that particular product. Here again, sales era, again in this situation, they don't concentrate on the needs and requirements and likes and dislikes of the customer. They will sell whatever they made rather than the customers requirements, likes and dislike. मतलब इस प्रोडक्शन एरा में जिस प्रकार से चलता था उसी प्रकार से सेल्स एरा में भी चल रहा है. बट द डिफरेंस इज दैट इन सेल्स एरा जो प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस हुआ है उसको सेल करने के लिए जो है वो एडवर्टाइजिंग, सेल्स प्रमोशन, पर्सनल सेलिंग एंड ऑल अदर एफर्ट्स जो है, अदर एफर्ट्स लगाए गए ताकि वो स्टॉक बचे नहीं. लेकिन इसमें भी कस्टमर का कुछ भी कॉग्निजेंस नहीं लिया गया है कि कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड है क्या, कस्टमर की लाइक्स और डिसलाइक्स क्या है, कस्टमर के सजेशंस क्या है, ये इसमें भी ध्यान में नहीं लिया गया. देन आफ्टर दैट वी विल एंटर in the situation of marketing era. Marketing era is totally different from the production era and sales era. In marketing era, customer needs and wants, their requirement, their likes and dislikes is to be taken first. Before the production is to be started, the customer requirement, their likes, dislikes, their wants is to be data is to be collected, and after that product is to be modified or made as per the requirements of the customer. After selling of that particular product, feedback is taken that the product is suitable for that particular customer. If there is any complaint regarding the product, their suggestions are taken, and certain improvement is to be made as per the requirements of the customer. So here we will discuss the three evolutions of marketing in a three different era. First one is the production era, that is in the beginning of the marketing system, and this is the traditional era, which is called as, it says the laws of supply creates its own demand. It is a traditional thinking. After some improvements there, and start the sales era. In sales era, it concentrate to sell of the product by providing a support like advertisement, sales promotion, personal selling, and all these efforts are taken to sell of that particular product. But cognizance of the customer is not taken. But in marketing era, in some extent, not full extent, but some extent, customer cognizance is taken, their likes and dislikes is taken, their wants and needs, their requirement, their needs and wants is to be first identified, and producer is trying to provide the product as per the requirement, likes and dislikes of the customer. This is the basic difference between these two and this one. These two are concentrate to sell the product in a large scale rather than the requirements of the customer, likes and dislikes of the customer. But in marketing era, to the some extent, the customer's requirement, their likes, dislikes, their suggestions are taken, and as best as possible, the product should be made as per the needs of the customer, as per the requirements of the customer. So in these lectures, we have to learn the evolution of marketing. In this evolution of marketing, we have to learn the production era, what happened in production era. We learn sales era, what happened in sales era, and marketing era, what happened in marketing era. So there is a short and long term question is also available in this topic. So it will be the study material related to this lecture is available, maybe available in 2 or 3 days in your WhatsApp group. So there is no need to write, you just concentrate on the particular lecture. You should understood the topic. After receiving the study material, you can go through the study material, and whatever the queries you can ask to me. तो आज के लिए इतना ही, बाकी जो है नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. थैंक यू.